Hey there, ready to crack Big Addition wide open? Let me introduce you to the Place Value Squad. Hundo is orange. He handles the hundreds. Tensy is green. She loves the tens. And Onesy is blue, always looking after the ones. Together they crack any big addition. Today we meet the Place Value Squad, 3 friends who can break any big addition into tiny, easy pieces. Here's our first big addition. 676 plus 534. Looks tricky? Watch the squad break it apart step by step. Step 1. Split each number by place value. Hundo, you are up. Hundo sees 600 and 500. 600 plus 500. Shout it out. 1100. Hundo nailed it. Tensy takes the tens. 70 plus 30 equals 100. Easy peasy for Tensy. Onesy handles the ones. 6 plus 4 equals 10. The whole squad has done their job. We have 1100, 100, and 10. Step 2. Add them all back together. Hundreds and tens first. $1,100 plus 100 equals 1,200. Now add the ones. $1,200 plus 10 equals 1,210. That is the answer. $676 plus 534 equals 1,210. The squad made that look simple. New problem. 245 plus 318. This time the squad needs your help. Ready to call out answers? Step 1. Break it apart. You call the answers this time. Hundo has 200 and 300. What does 200 plus 300 equal? 500. Great job. Tensy has 40 and 10. What does 40 plus 10 equal? 50. Tensy is smiling. Onesy has 5 and 8. What does 5 plus 8 equal? 13. Brilliant! All 3 pieces, 500, 50, 13. You add them all. What is the total? Step 2. Combining from biggest to smallest. $500 plus 50 equals 550. $550 plus 13 equals 563. $245 plus 318 equals 563. The squad did it, with your help. One more. This time you do all of step 1 yourself. Pause the video, grab a pencil, and break apart 489 and 172. Go! Welcome back! Let's reveal the breakdowns. Did you get these? In 489, Hundo gets 400, Tensy gets 80, Onesy gets 9. In 172, Hundo gets 100, Tensy gets 70, Onesy gets 2. Now combine them. 500 plus 150 plus 11. What did you get? Let's check, starting with the biggest. $500 plus 150 equals $650. $650 plus 11 equals $661. $489 plus 172 equals $661. You worked that out. The Place Value Squad is cheering for you right now. And there you have it. 3 big additions, cracked wide open. Every time you see a big number, remember, break it apart, add by place, put it back together. That is your superpower now. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Sea Crow Art, for more amazing step-by-step sketch guides.